Hello everyone, in this session we'll see how to calculate marks. So first we'll see our syllabus schedule. So we can see that this is G1 Science version 1 of 100 marks, and we can see that there are 4 modules in this subject. Module number will depend upon subjects. So we can see that module 1 is out of 5 marks, and module 2 20 marks, and module 3 is out of 25 marks, and module 4 is out of 25 marks again. And only module 1 is having one assessment, while all other modules have 2 assessments each. So we can see that the assessment marks is 5 here, and it's shown near module 2. So while we are adding assessment marks by clicking on this pen icon here, this is edit icon. So when we click on this, we can we can add marks near assessments as well as modules too. So if you're adding marks near assessments only, it won't show near module. So we should add assessment marks near modules, near assessment, and also near module as well. So we'll see a general structure of syllabus. So this is it. We can see that here grade subject version. This is the title of a subject. So we'll name it accordingly. So we can see that there are 2 modules in the subject. Module 1 is of M marks, M1 marks, and module 2 is of M2 marks. And we can see the module 1's content here. Every module content is based on this: introduction, theory, assessment, notes, and reference. So assessment number may vary. So in this module 1 there is only one assessment, but in module 2 you can see there are 2 assessments. So when we are calculating marks here, in module 1 we can see only 1 mark, only one assessment, so there is only 1 mark. So we take this mark as module 1's mark. So in case of module 2 we can see there are 2 assessments, so we add these 2 marks and consider it as module 2's mark. So we'll take an example. So, and also one thing I forgot about it, in case of theory, sometimes theory also will have mark, sometimes theory will possess questions, so theory also might have a mark. So next we can see this subject as G1 Science version 1. It is of total 100 marks, and we can see that there are 3 modules here: module 1, module 2, and module 3. Module 1 possesses 10 marks, it is out of 10 marks, and module 2 is of 20 marks, module 3 is out of 30 marks. And we can see that it's total 60 marks for these 3 modules, and in each module there are assessments. Okay, so if a student obtained 10 out of 10 in first assessment for module 1, and for module 2 he obtained 15 out of 20, and in module 3 he obtained 20 out of 30. So total out of 60 he gained 45 marks. So we need to convert this total 45 into 100. 45 by 60 into 100. So for the calculation we'll convert it into like 45 by 60 into 100. We'll get 75. So the student's mark is 75 out of 100. Okay, so we can see the next case. So this is G1 Max version 1. It's also out of 100, and there are 3 modules as well. And we can see that module 1 is out of 50, module 2 is out of 50 again, and module 3 is out of 20. That is total 120 marks. So it is a total mark of whole module, 120 marks. And imagine if a student gained 40 out of 50 in first module, and 30 out of 50 in second module, and 20 out of 20 in third module. So the total mark is 90 out of 120. So we want to convert this 90 into 100. So what we'll do? We'll convert like 90 by 120 into 100. That is again 75. So the student will get 75 out of 100. So that's how we need to calculate. We need to take the total mark of each modules and add it, and then convert it into 100, the total mark of the subject. So that's it. I can show you in a sample like this. So this is the syllabus. You can see modules here. This is how it is in LMS. So you can see it. So if you want to add marks, you can click on this edit content icon here. Yes, it has minimum marks and maximum marks. So you need to add marks both in assessment as well as mocks. If you add only in assessments, if you add marks only in assessment, it won't be showing in module. So you should add marks near assessment as well as marks. So that's it. Hope you have understood. Thank you.